fake shit. If you ain't riding, then get the fuck out of my way. Got time for the lame shit today. Get out of my way, out of my way, out of my way. But I can guarantee you won't meet another motherfucker like me. Keep talking that shit like you can't bleed. All bark, no bite, you a hating ass bitch. Brought out some motherfucking gunfire. Got my shades on, looking like I can't see. I can pick up on you pretty easily. Like a boutique hound dragging blood on the ground. I'm the last of a dying breed. I'm a sinner and everybody knows I'm the villain, so just leave me alone. I'm an outcast living on the edge. I'm a sinner and everybody knows I'm the villain, so just leave me